How to buy Aiden Labs token. So this token came under the symbol of ADN. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token, it's available on MEXC. So now I'll show you how to buy this token on your MEXC account. Now first of all, open your MEXC account. Now if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link on create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now after that, in the search bar, type the token name ADN and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. Wait a few seconds to load this page. As you can see, this token will be available for trading about 13 hours from now. After that, what you need to do is just click on limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see the total that you should pay with your USDT that you have on your account, and after that click on buy ADN. So this is how to buy ADN token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.